Bitcoin Gold, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move, and the only way to look for buy was if anyone get the trade from here. And we have a different options, but as we can see, the way it was moving, the only way to look for trade was having entry. Trade from here. We didn't get any other option. Anyway, as you can see, the price almost take the previous top and start to drop. Then this line is not valid anymore, and even this take profit is not valid. Now, want to see what's the next. First, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence, and technically, still we can put this one in relative to each other as a flat for one move up. Okay, that's means still we can look for buy as a short-term trade with the breakout of the stop. But we need to mention, I need to highlight that almost we are at the top of this structure, this correction. That means any buy we should consider as a short term, and we should have the proper management. That's why let this one drop some more. We can look for this one as a flat. And the best things was, since the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for buy. The best things if anyone get the trade from here, and whoever get the trade within this move, they should book some profit. No one see what's the next. In this case, we move to daily chart. We want to see whether the price can, mostly we can expect the price to correct here for a longer time before we get the continuation for buy. That's why we want to see how we can look for trade. In this case, we move to forward chart. The only thing is, since most of the charts they have the similar movement, we need to be aware about this flat, but we don't have any confirmation for the price to drop. That means still we can look for continuation. In this case, any trade, as long as the price haven't broke the previous top, any trade within this one we consider as a short-term trade for buy, because we want to see whether the price can break or this one can turn to a flat for one more drop. As we mentioned, we don't have any confirmation for the price to drop, but if we get any sell in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a really good trade. Anyway, we want to see how we can look for trade. If I move to 1 hour chart, the only thing is right now we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is how we can, if you wants to look at this, the first option is we put this one as a flat for one move up, and we can look for buys a short term. But that means we need to reverse, see the reversal. But the best things if this one drops some more. Okay. Can we look for sell? We don't have any trade setup for sell. The only times we can look for sell if we get any movement similar to what we have here. Okay, that's why when we think maybe this one turn to flat for one move up, then from there maybe we can look for sell. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank